Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video of my Kenmore 15 cubic foot chest freezer I've got listed up for sale. Just want to show you that everything on it works perfectly. So I've got my temperature gun here. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. Kind of see the difference between the floor and the side there. And that's in Fahrenheit. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot that right down in there so you can see. Nice and cold, just like it's supposed to be here. There you go. You can see the light works. Got a frozen bottle of water down in there. Seal's good. Everything on it works perfect. I don't have the key for the lock, but those can be replaced if you really wanted one. Otherwise, it's good to go. I'll go ahead and get it listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, I do appreciate you watching my video. Have a good day.